Back to over on Venture Outdoors and Hotshot, and well, getting ready to head to South Texas, which is way down south by Corpus. Headed to Harper, Texas. It's 5/6 Tuesday. Looks like it's gonna be another righteous hot day. But I was getting all my stuff swapped over in the truck here, my lunch and food and suitcase and all that good stuff. But getting ready to head out. Stay tuned, let's get on the road. We gotta see how much gas we got. We're hauling this tractor here, taking it down to Harper. Okay, rolling back into Texas again. Barnett, Texas, I guess. We're 5 hours and 15 minutes out from first drop. Stay tuned, we'll be there here in a minute. Luckily the tractor's pretty balanced out. We can cruise along pretty good around 70. We gotta watch it, we're coming in Texas. Okay, welcome back to O'Brien Venture Outdoors and Hotshot. We're about there, we're about 37 minutes away. Yeah, just going down this little old narrow road here. Trying to keep the trailer up on here. But yeah, we'll be there here shortly. Stay tuned. We'll get this thing unchained and let him drive her off. Okay, just got off the highway back there. Well, it's trying to tell me to go down this road. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, he stated that it's 2.5 miles down this road. Yeah, no telling. I just don't want to get out here and get hung up. Woo. We'll see here in a minute. Okay, just went through another cattle guard there, and now we're back on asphalt all of a sudden. Wow. I had to go through like 3 cattle guards on sketchy roads, barely fitting. I'm glad I didn't have no overhang, but okay, we're about there. Woo! Stuff I get myself into. Okay, got the client behind us there. He was waiting at the road for me. But we're gonna go up there to his little barn here. Here's his pasture land. He's gonna work it with. But stay tuned, we're gonna go up here and get turned around and get unloaded for this gentleman. No way, these are deer farmers. Look under that tree out there at all those bucks. We'll get the LD here in a minute, hang on. Okay, the client's up in it. I got the trailer all let down here. I'm just amazed at all those bucks under that tree. I wish we could get closer video of it. But yeah, that's a nice looking tractor. 61115D. Okay, there we go. That's a nice looking one though. Another satisfied client. Sweet. Okay, let's get this deck cleaned up, and we're gonna get this deck cleaned up. I had smudge on it, and then we'll head to Decatur, Texas. Do a pickup on thing. I was flying down this little narrow road here, and a little fox ran out in front of me. I had to lock my brakes up, but yeah, I didn't have my GoPro ready, but yeah, I was coming out in this old meadow here. Look at these mountains and stuff here. Starting to open up some. And headed north toward can't remember where she got me a hotel tonight. She's supposed to be calling me back. Weatherford, Texas, I believe, is where I'll be staying tonight. These are why those cattle guards is up. They don't have fences down here. Yeah, these cows just roam these roads here. Yeah, up here's a cattle guard. I'll show you. Yeah, I guess each section, mile section. Yeah, we're up here. Oh yeah, that says Steen Ranch. Got gates they can shut. That's weird. Okay, this is the Lino River. Wow, cool. Guess you can trout fish in here. I've seen some, you got it going on. Yeah, I'd like to be back there where they were. Cool. Yeah, it wouldn't be good when it was flooding down through here. Stay tuned. Got another 3 hours to the hotel. Look how hazy that looks out through there, but you can see for miles. We're about to the hotel, about 30 minutes. Okay, I'm here now at the Fairfield Marriott in Weatherford, Texas. Found a parking spot here. Got her wedged in there pretty tight. Hopefully no one parks here and blocks me and Penske in. So I don't know. Well, made it to the Waffle House here. Yeah. Got me a protein bowl. So yeah, they're getting her cooked up here. We'll head back to the hotel here in a minute. Okay, I had to move the rig up here. They didn't like it parked back there by the fence. I put all my stuff in up front there. But yeah, I got my food here. Okay, we'll see what's all's here in the morning.